Bro, I could not be around all these cars and not be posting at least every other day. Bro, you know how hard I used to be on my grind, bro. I'll go make a video of this one car in here, 10 minutes, and then start on this yellow one, 10 minutes. That's all video for each day. I'm telling you, bro, I was on my grind when I was doing it. Boy, I couldn't be around all this stuff. Oh, man, Rest and Rell in the building.
Smoked out bando.
Hard tone.
What's the deal? It's Randall. We're here at modfx. It's Friday night. You know, we got a few of the fellas out. I got Jay Monet right here. Say what's up.
Sir.
Yes, sir. I'm gonna let y'all see a few of the cars we got out here. Let y'all see what's going on. And we're gonna make it happen. So let's do it. So here we got Tycoon Scat. The bag Scat Pad Charger. We got a Challenger here getting custom headlights. Getting the lighter trans treatment. And we got legendary Dream Chaser. With the wrap Scat Pack. Got J Monet's Magnum. Got the lighter trends also. And then we got 16B. Just got his brand new wheels on. He just put them on there last week. He got the 3-piece Heritage wheels with the green on the lip to match the brakes on the inside. So check my man out. We got Jose's Challenger. Got Lou over there in the neon. Got the Jeep. Got Babe Scat.
Oh, man, Rest and Rell in the building, man. You know what I'm saying? Big BTV and Rest and Rell, we live. You know what I'm saying? In my random voice.
Where you come from?
I'll come all the way from Dallas, man. And man, to see this beautiful place, man, and feel the vibes up in Houston. We with car people. I'm around car people. I love car people. Man, car people just make you feel so united, man. You know, it's not too much to say. You know, I just love being around cars. I've been doing this stuff all my life, man, and I just got on YouTube and just started filming them, man, and it's been my passion ever since. So, you know, I just say if everybody stay on their grind and stay consistent, they can get anywhere in life where they want to get to, man. Goals is not unachievable. You can achieve all goals, man. It's just hard work, passion, dedication, and just staying consistent. That's the big word right there of the day. Consistent.
Hey, what kind of car you brought out here though?
Man, I brought the Charger Hellcat.
Woo!
This thing is phenomenal, man.
And then it was like five.
I'm glad he went with the Charger too, man. You know that Charger game.
Exactly.
Man, forget them Charger one.
Cool ass down.
Oh.
And I only got a 3.0.
Uh-huh.
I got the small one, but a medium one, you can get a bigger one too. Yeah.
I got to both, man. I got to, man.
Hey, don't make that cold.
I got 3 videos.
So my man getting the wicker bill put on. He already got the Luxe Auto Concepts tail light
So
tint.
when my people come straight to your channel, they be like, dang, he just dropped the video. Okay. I'll let you slide on
Babe
that.
Scat.
I got it, man.
Banging on my chest, you know what's going on. Worldwide, modfx, one-stop shop, baby.
But you see, that's how it normally is.
Lou.
Yo, what up?
Wolverine.
What I'm talking about?
You know, we in here just
Nah, he was talking about go with the.
preaching the truth out here.
You know what I'm saying? Let me see what kind of shoes we got on. Foot game.
Baby Maxes, you know what I'm talking about?
What them is.
You know how
Who make them?
I had a talk with Kanye the other day.
Man, you know what time it is. They got the Yeezys
Man,
on
my
too.
boy got his first pair of Yeezys. He done grew up.
You know what I'm saying? They grew up.
Man, I paid $500.
Everybody on feet.
Look at this one, AMG.
Oh, that's just that one. Yeah.
Man, we got one more. Everybody on feet. Oh, man, that's what's up. Y'all boys coming with it. Cars and the kicks, huh? Yeah, that's what's up.
Guys too, man. You can't be pulling up in no fancy car looking like a scrub now.
Don't do them like that.
We ain't gotta do too much.
Go get the diamond tester in a little while, though.
Bring them out, bring them out.
The diamond tester.
I don't know why you ain't gonna bring the diamond tester. What a diamond tester, man. We're gonna test everybody these days. I'm ready. I just got on the ring today.
I almost like
Hey, no, you, man, real, man.
man,
Yeah,
y'all
he's
better
real.
stop playing with me,
He
man.
real, man. That's real. That looks just like mine.
We believe.
Yeah, that's real, man.
Y'all better stop playing. Y'all better stop playing, man.
Now you,
Shout out to
man.
Emmy.
You can tell, man. You can tell from real from fake. I know a lot of people. You can see foo now. You can tell. You can
It might
tell.
be real right there, though.
You can tell. I got a wheel shop, so you know I got wheels tomorrow. So damn, y'all already done?
That's not
Golly, man.
strictly wheels.
Hey man, that's a whole different look on the car now. That made a whole different already. They quick, man. Shout out to Jose, man. Shout out to Instagram, man. Yeah.
Money,
Okay. Underscore modfx. Okay, just explain itself. See, now I know. I had followed you too. Yeah. So remember that, man. He spelled it out so they can know. Now do
Man,
yours.
J Money got the Yeezys on. They got the matching Yeezys.
Hey, he don't know how to spell. Forget
Everybody on feet. It's self-explanatory.
Hey, he said, let's
Oh, look. Get ready.
Oh, man.
Pulled out for you already.
That man gave me a gift basket.
Got you a cup.
Okay.
Hey, wait.
I use these too. These the cold mugs, huh?
Hey, wait a minute. Ain't that mine?
Oh.
Give away my cup.
Yours right there, fam.
What size you want?
That was Rell's
large?
cup.
Large. I got a large for you.
That's extra large.
That is
You know when you wash it, it gonna
get
shrink
young
up on
anyway.
me.
Yeah.
You know I'm a big boy. You know I eat a little bit. I eat real good. You know.
Nah, for real.
So Randall, y'all make sure y'all go give him a follow too. What's your Instagram again?
Just follow us all. Randall_modfx, Jose_modfx, Miss_modfx, modfx on
Modfx,
YouTube.
everything.
Google it.
And say it.
Just Google. Oh, we
Say-
live.
We live, man. You gotta say real to real. We live.
Real to real, we live.
Oh, okay. Yeah, Lee, I'm gonna have to come down here more often for real. Because I think everybody feel a little bit more looser around me. Big B TV.
2020.
We live.
2020 is gonna be there. Right?
Yeah, no, my boy, he do good, man. I be looking forward to seeing your videos all the time. Just post a little bit more so I can have something to watch.
I will. I got,
Okay.
I got 3
Okay.
lined up already.
Okay. He got 3 on lined up, man. We're gonna make you, man. This how you do it. Try to upload 7 days for just 1 week. That's how you start. Oh, we got a hat. You know that boy need hats. Oh, we got a hat. Hold on, let me cut that thing. Oh, dang, man.
Open it up.
Hold on. I didn't put it. I didn't put it watermelon size down.
Hey, I got dreads and stuff. Hey, look. Oh, my boy got the face. You got merch?
Yes, sir.
Man, these folks entrepreneurs for real.
Yes, sir.
That's what I'm talking about. Hold on, man.
How to hook my man's up now, for real.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about, man. Hold on. Hold my camera, Big B TV, man. We gotta show this, man. Lee, man. You see that? Hey, man, big swag, man.
Banging on your
Big
chest.
swag, banging on your chest, man. Come on, man. Hold on, let me.
Yes, sir.
That's his move, you know. I appreciate these guys, man, and I appreciate you too, Big BTV. Because without you, I probably wouldn't be here. Cause you showed all they work off. You know what I'm saying? And y'all, I'm telling y'all, man, this man do a wonderful job, man, filming y'all shop, man. And I just want to say I got respect for everybody up in here, man. I appreciate y'all hospitality. You know, I'm all the way from Dallas, and I feel like I'm at home. You know what I'm saying?
sir.
I appreciate y'all, man, and I love, bro. I love what you're doing, bro.
appreciate
Keep doing it, bro. It gets seen.
That's what
Dream
modfx
big.
do.
Don't
That's what Big B do.
always know that you bigger than what you think.
I appreciate it. Hey, y'all hear that? Hey, legend, you hear that?
Bigger than what you think.
I'm bigger than what you think.
Yeah. Let me get my wife on back, man,
Hey,
in Dallas,
no
so
doubt,
she
man.
can get some bread.
You about to say something stupid. I already know it's coming.
I was, but it's all good.
Say something stupid as hell.
All right, y'all, man. Let's get up this highway. Appreciate you, Jose. Appreciate you, Randall.
All right, Doc.
I got you. I'm gonna give you some.
Let's see what that Hellcat do.
Hey, get as far as you can to make